In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to make this foundation chain and double crochet all together. Right, we start our stitch with a slip knot. So just watch carefully how I am making my slip knot. This second one we will take it forward. Now this one. So here we have done our slip knot. Now first we need to make chain 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. We have 3 stitches. Alright, now what we will do, again yarn over and insert your hook in the very first chain. Now grab the yarn and pull it through this stitch. Alright, now just watch carefully. We have 3 loops on our hook. So at this point what we will do, just again yarn over and pull it through this one loop only. So look, we have made the very first chain. So now we have 3 loops on our hook. So these 3 all right, we will start with a slip knot. Just watch carefully. Okay, all right, now insert your hook. Now we will make with the chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. We have 3 chain stitches. So what we will do, just again yarn over and insert your hook in the very first chain stitch. Here we go. Now grab the yarn and pull it through this first stitch. So now we have 3 loops on our hook. So again yarn over and pull it through this one loop only. See, we have make our very first chain. So now here we have the 3 loops on our hook. So at this point we are going to do our double crochet like always we do. Like yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull it through 2 loops. So we are going to repeat this pattern again yarn over, just insert your hook in this very last stitch. See here, I'll show you clearly a little bit. Wait, see this stitch, insert your hook and like this. So now we have 3 loops on our hook. Again yarn over and pull it through only 1 loop. Now we will make double crochet. Yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over and pull it through 2 loops. Look here, the chain stitches, foundation chain stitches we are going to make, and on the same time we are making the double crochet as well. So again yarn over, insert your hook in the very last stitch. Now 3 loops on our hook. Again yarn over, pull it through only 1 stitch. See, the chain is formed. Now we will make double crochet 1 and here we go for the second. So again yarn over in the very last stitch, pull it through. Now 3 loops, again yarn over, pull it through only 1 loop. See, again the chain is formed. 3 loops on the hook, we will make double crochet. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. So this is a time savings tip. I hope you just enjoy this tip. So remember to subscribe and follow your crochet buddy Mary. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.